Hello, I lead the development team, and I will present the VERSI heat pump. Right from the beginning of development, we knew that the VERSI heat pumps must be quiet and have minimal vibrations, especially in cases where the unit is installed inside a building. We did not focus only on lowering the overall noise level, but also on improving the quality of the sound by reducing noticeable tones. The main sources of noise and vibrations are the compressor and the fan. To reduce the noise and vibrations of the compressor, we designed a special enclosure, used multi-layered recycled materials to absorb a wide spectrum of sound, and carefully designed the pipe geometry to prevent vibration transfer. This allowed us to drastically reduce compressor noise and vibrations. In addition, the KSM controller constantly monitors the operation of key actuators and prevents resonance caused by different vibration sources. The noise level of VERSI ranges between 41 and 63 decibels in boost mode at temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius. For more than 59% of the heating season, the noise level in a standard building will not exceed 55 decibels. VERSI E and VERSI X heat through air ducts inside the building, which means noise can occur inside and outside the building. The noise level is between 35 and 40 decibels at maximum heating power in boost mode, with inlet air below -20 degrees Celsius. For more than 59% of the heating season, the noise level will not exceed 39 decibels, which is quieter than most ventilation heat recovery units. On facade elements, the noise level ranges from 40 to 54 decibels of sound power at maximum heating power in boost mode, with inlet air below -2 degrees Celsius. For more than 59% of the heating season, the noise level will not exceed 50 decibels. Such a low noise level means that installation in densely populated residential areas does not cause any problems.